ECDL Advanced, Access, Lesson 35, Main and Subform Manual Techniques. The main stroke subform can be created without using any wizards. With the main form in Design View and the control wizards turned off, click on the Subform stroke Subreport button. The subform can then be manually added to the main form, and the links and design changed as necessary. OK, so let's open the CIA database and open the orders form in Design View. We have a grid. If the grid is not displayed, right-click on a blank area of the form and select Grid. Make sure the Design tab is displayed. Expand the Controls options and make sure the Use Control Wizards option is turned off. Click on the Subform stroke Subreport button, which as mentioned before is this one here, and click on the form under Date Paid. A box appears with the word Unbound in it, meaning it's not linked to a particular field containing data. This is where the subform will appear when defined. The size of this box will be changed in the following steps. On the Design tab, click the Property Sheet button in the Tools group so that we can view the property sheet for the subform. Ensure the All tab is selected, and then click in the Source Object property, and from the drop-down arrow, choose Form.Order Details. This is the table that is the source of the information for the subform. Ensure Order Ref appears in Link Child fields and Link Master fields. Now, as an aside, the name Child13 may be different on your screen, but it'll still be correct. In order to make a main stroke subform, there must be a linking field in each table, so the information in one table can pull out the correct information in the other. Close the property sheet. Then delete the Child13 label. So select it and then delete. And then resize the subform so it's about 7 centimeters wide and 3 centimeters high. Save the form. And now let's switch to Form View. As we browse through the customers, notice that the orders list in the subform will change to show the details relevant to the viewed customer. Any subform can be deleted from a form. So let's switch to Design View. Click on the subform to select it, and then press Delete to remove the subform. OK, let's save the form close it, and then finally close the database. Okay, so we've now looked at working with main forms and subforms using wizards, and also using manual techniques. The final part of this section will be linking forms, and we will discuss this in lesson 36. Okay, looking forward to seeing you then.